Hey, Lady Warriors. Okay, so in this video, I am going to show you how to create an Instagram account. If you don't already have one, or if you want to start a new one, or how to optimize your Instagram profile for maximum exposure. So I'm going to take you through the setup, and then I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and share my phone so you can actually see how this is done in real time. So first impressions matter. You could be getting tens of thousands of views from your content, but it's going to waste if your Instagram bio isn't optimized to convert those new eyes to followers. So I'm going to give you a general outline for your Instagram bio to help you optimize it and get more eyeballs on your content. So the first, you have your username and your name line. Username is the one that shows up at the top. The name line should tell others what you do, your title. This is a searchable term. You need to think, what would your audience be searching for to find you on Instagram? You can add your name here if you want to ever use Meta Verified. That's with the blue check mark. Your legal name will need to be on there somewhere. Just giving you food for thought for the future. Your profile pic. Your profile pic should be a close-up, well-lit photo of you. This is typically the first thing people will see when they come across your account. If it is a brand or a company account, it can be a logo, but your profile pic should fit within the circle on Instagram. So make sure the whole logo fits within that circle. Your Instagram bio, the first opening statement, the first line at the top of your Instagram bio, it basically tells your audience what you will be posting about, what they can expect from your account. So the first line of your bio should say how you help your audience. What do you do that helps your audience? It doesn't have to say, I help, but what do you do to help your audience? What can they expect? The second line is basically a credibility statement. The third line, what makes you different? And then the fourth line is a benefit-driven CTA, call to action. So if you have some sort of freebie, you can have them click the link. You can do that, but we're not going to do that, okay? But you can still let them know about your course, okay? So, hey, to learn how to meal prep like a boss, and you put the little fingers point below, they're going to click on, it's going to take them to your sales page. So you can still give a benefit-driven CTA. It does not have to be to a freebie, right? So I'm just going to give you a couple of examples, all right? So a mindset coach, helping moms master their mind and create unshakable self-confidence. That's that first line. Second line, which is the credibility, 5-year certified NLP practitioner. The third line, it's time to channel your inner beauty queen. Okay, that's how they are different from everyone else. And then grab my free from chaos to confidence guide. So they have a freebie. Then we have virtual assistants, saving entrepreneurs and small business owners time and maximizing profits through simplified systems. 10 plus years executive support. High level, diehard enthusiast. Follow for free tips to streamline and scale. So there's no pointing to a link or anything there. They're just basically saying, hey, follow for free tips to streamline and scale. And that's a good call to action, a benefit-driven call to action. I do have these photos in the Trello board. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so that I can actually show you a couple of 5 examples here of basically what's inside of your book. These are real life examples here. So this one here is Brock Johnson. I actually met him in person. Pretty cool dude. Okay. He's an Instagram growth coach. So you see that? That's literally what he does. That's his title. Helping creators and business owners grow and make money. Hey, not bad. My average student, 16,000 followers in 2023. And he's the CEO of at Insta Club Hub. I didn't click more there, so I can't see what else he's got there, but he's got a link to his Insta Club Hub. Brittany Balta, actually an Instagram coach as well. So she's got her name here, Instagram and Reels coach, helping biz owners grow on the gram and make sales with easy strategies. AI and real content bestie. That's what makes her stand out. Free AI roadmap for Instagram. And again, I didn't click the more there. Okay. And then here's a couple more. So this one here, Ellen Weiss, that's her name. I help coaches build high-value, low-ticket memberships. Founder of Coach Growth Hub, that's her credibility statement. 1,000 plus paying monthly members, and there's her link. And then we got another Instagram growth coach. We got her name, Instagram growth, grow your Instagram audience and sales, build your 7-figure content system, student growth, 7.3 million followers, 1 billion plus views. And then she's got a link there as well. So those are just a couple of examples of how having an optimized bio can really help you out to get noticed so that when your audience comes to your page, they know you're their person. Okay. You see there's a nice photo here with a smile. Okay. Same here. Nice photo with a smile, just the head. You see, they're not doing a full body shot. Like, people want to see your face. People want to see you. Okay. Right, so there you have it. There are some real life examples there for you. There are a few more bonus tips when putting your bio together. Don't repeat your headline in your bio. Don't do that. Make it about them. They don't want to know about you. They don't care about you. They care about themselves. Okay. So when they come to your bio, how can you help them? Only have one link in your bio. If you click on some people's bios, they actually have 2 different links. When you click on it, 2 links pop up. Don't do that. We're only going to have one, and that's going to be the link to our sales page. Don't use jargon, acronyms, hashtags, or tag any other accounts. You can't make the assumption that they know what you're talking about. If you use a particular acronym for a particular service or industry, don't make the assumption that everybody knows what that means, okay? Use branded emojis at the start of each line just to make it a little easier to read. If you're just totally against emojis, don't worry about it. But it does make the Instagram profile a little bit easier to read when you have some emojis there. Have it. An optimized Instagram bio profile to help you attract your customer or clients to you, and you won't have to be out there chasing people down. So what I'm going to do now, I'm actually going to share my screen, and we're going to go ahead and create a new account. Now, I can't go all the way through with it because I'll have like a 4th account, and I'm not sure I want to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create an Instagram account using my phone. Okay, so here I am. Of my phone. I have my phone right here, and I've already got, as you can see, an Instagram account, and I've got my nice profile pic here. I've got my name, Michelle, business coach and mentor, and then I've got my helping ladies earn more money with digital products, over 20,000 students, monetize socials, generate leads. I've got to shorten this one, sales daily. So I've got to shorten this a little bit here. I still have my stand store here until I'm kind of going along with you guys in the boot camp. So I changed it to just my sales page. So I will. What I can do to create an account is at the top, I hit my name. This is my name here, Lady Wealth Warrior. And then I think this is my username, and this is my name title. Just tap that Lady Wealth Warrior up at the top. And as you can see, I've got all of these Instagram accounts. So I don't really want to create another one. But you would just simply click Add Instagram Account if you already have one and you want to create a new one. So then I just click Create New Account. It's going to go through the process, and you just answer all of the questions, and that account will be connected to your current account. Okay, so just remember that. So if you have one, if not, then you would just go to Instagram.com and click Create Account. You can do that. But whatever name you pick here, they have to not approve it, but they got to make sure no one else has that name. So I've already got Lady Wealth Warrior, so I can't really think of anything else. So gardening. So let's just do Plant Mom. And you see it says the user Plant Mom is not available. So it's already telling me it's not available. So Plant Granny, that one's not available either. So you can do things like put a period in there. So plant.granny, that one's not available. So you can get Plant Granny, and that one's available. You got the green check, so you're good. I don't like putting numbers in there because it's something that people have to remember. So all you got to do is just go through the rest of the steps, okay? I'm not going to go through all of it so that you can answer the questions on the screen, and then you'll have your account created. And then you can just optimize it, edit your profile. See down here, you just edit your profile, and then you can change all the things that you need. You can change your picture. You can go to an avatar. You change your bios. You can add links, banners. You can show your threads badge. I'm actually going to turn that off because it's actually better to not have any other links on your profile, because you don't want people to come off of your profile. You want them to stay on your profile. I turned my threads badge off. You've got category. So these are all the things that they're going to ask you about as you're going through the category, the contact option, action buttons, profile display. So you're going to fill out all of that information as you're going through creating your account. Okay. And there you have it. You should have a well-optimized Instagram profile. Action steps for this video are create or edit your Instagram bio or profile. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you want to continue learning and growing together, watch this video that's coming up next, and I will see you over there.